vlog. So right now it's afternoon time. So today's vlog is going to be all about how I decorated for my intro, the intro that you just saw in the beginning of this video. So I just did all the decor, balloons, everything, and my mom and my dad also helped me out in that, and you will see how all that happened. And right now I just had my Zoom call with one of the brands for, you know, meeting and all. I finished it and I have important thing to show you guys. I have this beautiful box. It's the Valentine's box from Lay's India. You know, Lay's is my favorite always. Also, if you don't know, my picture was printed on the Lay's. I'll, you know, insert a vlog right here where I informed about it, or I'll just insert my Instagram picture. So Lay's, I am very emotionally attached with Lay's. So this is the huge Valentine's Day box. Just look at the packaging, it's huge. Like, it's just not even fitting in the frame. So basically it says, what's your relationship status? And when I open this, here I have my wafers. Oops. Yeah. So then we have a card which says, what's your relationship status? Basically this box is because they have launched 2 new flavors. One is this cheesy love, one is this herby crush, and along with that they have you know, sent me 4 chips, and then there are this cue cards. Okay, so this says single relationship, then we have one for you know, committed, then we have one for long distance relationship, and last is, it's complicated. So yeah, these are the cue cards. You just tell me what's your relationship status. So that's what this campaign is all about. And now I can't resist to open this. So I just was waiting for you guys, like I wanted to show you how it looks. Right now I'm opening this cheesy love because I cannot stop myself from that. It tastes actually like cheese. It's amazing. I love the taste of Lay's, okay? And especially after all this, I have to. It's amazing. I've opened the herby crush as well because I couldn't resist. So
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. the highways and on.
first of all, I'm taking my base products. So base product goes in. Then I have blusher, Olay. This is the Manish Malhotra metallic chalk that I'm taking.
Beauty blender, eyeshadow palettes, loose powder. It's compact, not loose. Serum, more eyeshadows. I'm taking for my cousin. I'm going to give her this. So taking cotton wipes, lip balm.
Just forgot my chashma.